fava, a great taste. The ingredients we will use to make fava are as follows. 2 cups dried fava, 2 cups water, 1 tea glass olive oil, salt, sugar, 4 medium onions quartered, chopped dill. That's all the ingredients. Let's start making it. 2 cups of fava beans. 1 tea glass of olive oil. We put it in. Our medium onion. One teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of our sugar. After pouring in our 2 cups of water. After pouring it in, we move to a medium heat to bring it to a boil. After setting our medium heat, we let our mixture come to a boil. After boiling for about 1 hour, we turn it off and remove it. Once we have removed the mixture that cooked for about an hour on the heat, we will use a tool to mash it thoroughly. The mixture is now pureed. Onto the serving plate, our mixture. We pour it out. After putting it on the plate, onto the serving plate, spreading it out, we smooth it. We garnish our fava, which we placed on the serving plate, with dill. We decorate it. Yes, our dill garnished fava, for it to rest for half an hour. We place it in the refrigerator. We take our fava out of the refrigerator and divide it into portions for serving. Yes, on the fava we put on our plate. I generally prefer it with lemon more. Of course, this depends on your preference. A light, after drizzling lemon. Now it's time to taste it. You must try it. It's really a great flavor. Yes, we made our fava and tasted it. Please make this and share it with your loved ones. It is truly a very delicious taste. See you next time. Stay well and all the best.